hope you are doing great today. Thank you so much for your support on the channel. Now, previously I showed you how to use cereal boxes to make gift bags and gift boxes. Now, it doesn't have to be cereal boxes. It can be any boxes, like your pasta boxes, your cracker boxes. In this video, I will be showing you how to transform your basic brown paper bag into a gift bag. So this bag, brown bag, we actually got when we ordered out some food, and usually I save them because they're pretty good, right? They're useful. And so let's go ahead and show you how to transform it into a gift bag. Now, the first thing you want to do is square off the top of the bag. Now I have some 1-inch strips that I have cut from cartridge paper. What I'm going to do is take my glue gun, and I'm basically going to put glue along the top of the bag here and start gluing the strips to the paper bag. I am putting my handle 2.5 inches from here to here, and then I'll measure off 2.5 inches on this side also. So I did this bag here, but because it is smaller and it is lighter, I use the fine burlap twine for the handles. However, this bag is more substantial, and so I will be using this polyester cord, which is thicker, for this bag. And so I just measure off a piece that I want to use, and then I cut it, put it evenly, and then cut it in two. Then, to get this end through the grommet here, I will get a piece of tape. Now I'll just use the tape on the end here. Now I have a point. I can put the cord through. There we go. Pull it right through from the back to the front, and then push it back through the other side here. Take the tape off, and then we'll go ahead and tie the cord on the inside. You could do this, or you could make a knot over here and a knot over here on the inside. I prefer to tie it together on the inside. And then just pull this out, and there is your one handle. Pull it in, and there is your bag. That's your gift bag, a basic brown paper bag. What do you think, my friends? Lovely gift bags from Basic Brown Paper Bags. Well, you can save all those brown paper bags that you get from take-ins, or you could buy these smaller ones at the dollar store. I got like 100, I think, of them in a package. I think they were $1.50. Because I like to keep them for snacks for my sons or for myself for that matter. But yeah, guys, if you know somebody who would appreciate this idea, please share it with them. Also, leave me a thumbs up and your comments in the comment section below. And if you have watched this video and you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscription button. Also, remember to hit the bell notification icon so you can be notified of new videos. I'll see you in the next video.